approaching the primary search grid now. Keep your eyes peeled for the wreckage.
Hold on, I think I see something down there, bearing 290.
We need to be careful. Look at this corrosion. The tail rotor is completely seized.
I think we can get it airlifted out of here.
See the stress fractures here. It must have hit hard.
We need to check the structural integrity of the landing gear. Look at the state of this tail section. It's completely fused with the environment.
And the cockpit isn't much better. I can barely make out the insignia.
One 4537
What is that, a manifest number?
Maybe. We need to check the tail section before the rain gets heavier.
Look at this corrosion around the rotor mast. It's worse than we thought. We need to clear this section. This mud is hiding a lot of damage.
Lift steady, hold the course. Bring her up 20 feet.
The harness looks secure, but the servos are running hot.
Adjusting, roger that. Touchdown in 3. Watch the splash.
The UH-72A Lakota had been swallowed by the jungle for decades. Now, the arduous process of reclaiming
Check the schematics for the tail rotor assembly.
Already did. Looks like we need to replace the servo.
How's the level look from your end?
Looks good, dead center. Right there, we missed this spot.
calibration here. It's drifting slightly at the top.
Right there, near the bulkhead.
Got it. Looks stable. The caliper shows the variance right here.
All right, so we adjust the template to match the new pipe specs.
Are we clear on the alignment?
Yes, just a fraction lower. Drill slowly to avoid stress fractures.
We need to reinforce this section here before we mount the blades.
All right, I'll get the next panel ready after I finish vacuuming the cockpit.
Okay, inch it down. We're clear on the port side. Copy. Lowering now. Steady pressure.
All right, the initial flush is almost done.
Good. The readings on the tablet are stabilizing. Let's move to the pressure test next.
Is the alignment correct on this side?
Yes, it's seated properly. I'll start tightening the bolts now.
All right, I'm heading to the tail. Okay, easy now. Watch the wiring harness.
Got it. Looks aligned on this side.
Specs check out, secure it.
Right there, align the cabling.
Okay, tightening the bolts now.
Lower the shaft, slowly to the left.
Okay, easy now. A little to the left.
Copy that. Coming left slowly. Looks aligned.
Base, this is Lima Delta Whiskey Juliet 1. Exterior cleaning phase 1 complete. Requesting engine check clearance.
Make sure that panel is flush before we secure it.
Roger that. We'll need to run the diagnostic on the avionics next.
Almost got the door set. Now let's tighten this main support.
Right, I'll hit it with the ratchet. Make sure the green wire is secured to the auxiliary input before we mount the panel.
Got it, I'll double check the schematic now.
Okay, lift it slightly on your side.
Got it. Bringing it forward now.
Looks aligned. Go ahead and secure the front bolts.
We need to double check the wiring harness.
The schematic says revision B.
Let's verify the connection points before we close it up.
Check the rivets right here near the access panel.
The thermal readings were stable on the last run, but I'll double check the alignment now.